Okay, I just showed you how to solve this problem right up here algebraically in the last video. Now I'm going to show you how you can use your graphing calculator to solve it. The first step in solving something like that is moving the rational expression to one side. So you just got to choose which side. I like to choose the left side, so I got to move everything to the other side. So I already have this on this side, so I'll start with, we got x over x minus 6. And what's going to happen is we need to move this to this side, and to do that we'll just subtract 1 over x minus 4. And if you subtract it from both sides, 1 over x minus 4, then you'll just have it on the other side. So we have minus 1 over x minus 4, and that's equal to 0. So now that we have it set equal to 0, we can graph this. And what we're going to do is we're going to graph it by entering it into the y equals, and then the third step is we're going to find where it crosses the x-axis. And once we find where it crosses the x-axis, we found our solutions. Isn't that nifty? So let's bring up our graphing calculator right here. I got to type this in, so we start off with putting my, we got to go to the y equals, right? And then I'm going to put my x divided by, here's where I have to use my parentheses, x minus 6. And then I'm subtracting, and then I have 1 divided by parentheses, x minus 4. So minus 4. And then at this point, we're going to click on graph on the upper right, and it's going to graph this function right here. And you see something, it's weird looking, isn't it? If I just highlight what's kind of going on, it looks like it's going up like this, and then comes down, and then like that, up, and then there. These are asymptotes. These are two asymptotes. And guess what those asymptotes are? That's where they're undefined. That's where it's undefined. That's where it crosses. Is that where it crosses over the x-axis? Let's zoom in. Let's see. Let's see if I even know what I'm doing here. Let's zoom in. We're going to zoom in, go down to 2, and we're going to zoom in on this area. Because remember, we found out that the solutions were like 2 and 3, so let's zoom in on 2 and 3. Yeah, look at that. Look at that. That's where it crosses. Zoom in. Looks like it crosses right here. Can't see any of this because all this stuff's in your way. Clear ink. So I just zoomed in on where it kind of looked like it possibly. Looks like zoom right there. See? That's where it crosses over the x-axis at 3. Right there. And then, oh man. I wonder if I'm going to have to zoom out. I'll have to keep on holding this. I'll have to push this a lot of times. So, how's everyone doing? Doing alright? If I get to 2 before I'm done here, oh man, I'm going to run out of room. Oh, but look how close it is. It's got to be. Let's try it. I'll zoom out a little bit, or I'll change my window. I'll show you how to do that. Check this out. Go to Windows, right here, and we're going to go to our X-min of -1. Actually, let's do 1.5, and then we'll graph that, and then there we go. See, a little more room. Isn't that kind of nice? Looks like, see, it crosses over at 2. So the solutions to this are where it crosses x-axis. Crosses x-axis at 2 and 0. 2 and 0, right there, or not 2 and 0. I'm sorry. It crosses x-axis at 2 and 3. 2, 3. Just like we found algebraically. So another way to solve these. Put in your graphing calculator. Once you get everything to one side, graph it and figure out where it crosses the x-axis.